In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files or folders in OneDrive 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly what can be brought back, what can't, and how to move quickly so you don't lose important work. First, a quick but crucial note about how OneDrive handles deletions. If a file or folder has been permanently deleted from your OneDrive recycle bin, it can't be recovered using OneDrive's built-in tools. That means it's no longer available on Microsoft servers, and there isn't a hidden button to bring it back from there. It's important to set expectations up front so you know whether to focus on OneDrive or consider other options. Now, if the item is still in the recycle bin, you're in good shape. Here's how to restore it. Open OneDrive in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the recycle bin in the left-hand navigation. If you don't see it immediately, resize your window or expand the menu so the option appears. Click Recycle Bin to view everything you've deleted recently. Inside the recycle bin, you'll see a list of files and folders. You can sort by name, location, or the date deleted to make things easier to find. If you remember part of the file name, use the search box to narrow it down. Once you locate the file or folder you want, click to select it. You can select multiple items at once if you're restoring a batch. With your items selected, click Restore. OneDrive will put them back where they lived originally, so check the original folder or path if you don't see them in your recent files list right away. If you were working in a shared location, the restored item will go back into that shared folder with the same permissions it had before. Give it a moment to sync across devices, especially if you have the desktop app running. If the file was permanently deleted from the recycle bin and you still need it, your next option is third-party recovery software. These tools work by scanning your local device or drive for remnants of files that were synced with OneDrive. For the best chance of success, avoid saving new data to that drive. Choose a reputable recovery tool and run a scan as soon as possible. Results vary and nothing is guaranteed, but acting quickly helps. That's it. Restore from the recycle bin whenever you can, and consider recovery software only if the item is truly gone from OneDrive. To prevent future issues, keep regular backups and empty the recycle bin only when you're sure you no longer need its contents.